you can enjoy minutes of morning meditation for clarity and calm peace of mind. In these few minutes of morning meditation, you will be guided through a practice that helps bring clarity and calm to your day. As you find a comfortable seated position, take a deep breath and let go of any tension in your body. Close your eyes and focus on your breath, letting it flow more naturally. Allow any thoughts or distractions to pass by without judgment, simply returning your attention to the sensation of breathing. With each inhale and exhale, feel your body relaxing and becoming more present in the moment. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort in your body, and with each breath, imagine releasing that tension and allowing a sense of ease to wash over you. Feel yourself grounded in the present moment, fully aware of your surroundings but also connected to a deeper sense of peace within. As you continue to breathe deeply and mindfully, feel gratitude for this opportunity to center yourself before beginning your day. Know that you have the power to cultivate this inner calm throughout whatever challenges may arise. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes and take a moment to appreciate the stillness and clarity you have created within yourself. Carry this peaceful energy with you as you move through the rest of your day. With each inhale, imagine breathing in clarity and understanding. With each exhale, release any stress or worries that may be clouding your mind. Allow yourself to be fully present in the moment, letting go of any distractions or thoughts about the past or future. As you continue to breathe deeply and mindfully, feel a sense of peace and tranquility wash over you. By the end of this 10-minute meditation, you will feel more centered and ready to start your day with a clear mind and a calm heart. Remember that you can always come back to this practice whenever you need a moment of peace and grounding throughout your day. Remember that the power to find peace and clarity lies within you, waiting to be tapped into whenever needed. Take a few more moments to bask in this state of calmness and stillness before gently coming back to the awareness of your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, slowly open your eyes, and carry this sense of tranquility with you as you continue about your day. You are now refreshed, centered, and ready for whatever challenges or joys may come your way. Embrace this newfound clarity and allow it to guide you through every moment ahead. Take a deep breath in and slowly release it, feeling the calmness and peace spreading throughout your body. With each exhale, let go of any lingering tension or stress. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment, embracing the feelings of peace and grounding throughout your day. Remember that the power to find peace and clarity lies within you, waiting to be tapped into whenever needed. Take a few more moments to bask in this state of calmness and stillness before gently coming back to the awareness of your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, slowly open your eyes, and carry this sense of tranquility with you as you continue about your day. Take a deep breath in, allowing the feeling of calmness and peace to envelop you even further. As you inhale deeply, feel the tension leaving your body and a wave of relaxation washing over you. Exhale slowly, releasing any remaining stress or worries. With each breath, let go of all that no longer serves you and bring in positivity and lightness. Allow yourself to fully embrace this moment of peace and mindfulness. Now, take a moment to think about one thing you are grateful for today. It could be something big or small, just focus on the feeling of gratitude filling your heart. Let that gratitude radiate throughout your being, uplifting your spirits and bringing a smile to your face. As you go about the rest of your day, remember to come back to this feeling of calmness and clarity whenever needed. You have the power within you to find peace amidst chaos, so trust in yourself and nurture this inner sense of tranquility. With a renewed sense of calmness and purpose, continue moving forward with an open heart and a clear mind. Embrace each moment as it comes with grace and mindfulness, knowing that you hold the key to finding peace within yourself at any given time.